In this video, we're going to talk about if you can transfer money from your App Store to Apple Pay. First of all, and generally, you cannot transfer money from your App Store and as an example or Apple account balance directly to Apple Pay or Apple Cash. Apple account balance and Apple Cash are separate systems and Apple does not provide a normal transfer option between them. So the Apple account balance or App Store balance is basically money used for App Store purchases, Apple or iCloud Plus, Apple subscriptions, Apple products and services. And Apple Cash or Apple Pay money is money used for sending money to people, Apple Pay purchases, and also bank transfers. So answering the question, can you basically transfer it? The normal answer is no. Apple does not provide a built-in option to move App Store's example balance to Cash App or Apple Pay. So if you added money by mistake, if you accidentally added funds from your debit card or a bank account to your Apple account balance instead of Apple Cash, Apple supports may be able to reverse the transaction and return it to the original payment method. So in that option, what to do? You can just go and visit Apple support. As an example, you can open Safari or something like that and just type an example here, Apple support. And you would like basically to chat with them. Explain that the money, as example, was added to Apple account's balance by mistake and you intended to add it to Apple Cash. Apple will determine whether the transaction qualifies for a reverse or not. And of course, you'll have to note that gift card balance cannot normally be transferred to Apple Cash, and Apple account balance is intended for Apple purchases. In some regions, local laws may allow refunds or balances unused balances. So openly transferring App Store balance to Apple Pay or Apple Cash is not supported at all. You'll have to know that. And if someone tells you otherwise, it's probably a scam. So don't go into some weird, I don't know, websites that's tells you that we can do that for you, just pay us or something like that. Keep that in mind. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.